Hi guys, I just wanna share something to you guys. I just bought some cell phone holder for my Ryker. I believe this cell phone holder you can use it on a bicycle, a motorcycle. I bought this from Amazon. It's easy to install and it holds pretty well. But I never tried when I was riding my Ryker yet. So I'm gonna give you guys an update on that. But pretty much, when I bought this, they have 5, I think, or 6 different kind of color. Those rubber band, like you can see on the red rubber band right there. So to secure your phone. It's easy to use it. It's easy to install. But I'm having a hard time because I was using on one hand only. But it looks good. It holds pretty well. And like I said, I'm gonna give you guys the update, when I ride my Ryker. And then I just installed the alarm. The same thing, you can use this for bicycle or motorcycle. I bought this in Amazon. This alarm, my goodness, it's loud. It's loud. So you feel secured, when you park outside on a parking lot. And then it's sensitive too. When you bang a little bit, see, you can hear the alarm just kicks in. Thank you. Please enjoy the video.